Hello student, in today's lecture we are going to learn one another grammar topic of English subject, and that is how to make noun from verb. Verb means what? An action word, क्रियादर्शक शब्द. उससे आपको क्या बनाने का है? नाउन. किंतु वो कैसे बनाया जाता है? Today we are going to see. That's why here is the question, how to make noun from the verb. Verb से, क्रियादर्शक शब्द से, an action word से noun कैसे बनाते हैं? Today we are going to see, we are going to learn. So that's why let's see here. First point, you can make the nouns. You can make the nouns. आप noun बना सकते हो that show the work that people do. जो लोग काम करते हैं उस प्रकार का नाउन आप बना सकते हो by adding er, r and or to the verb. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? वर्ब को, एन एक्शन वर्ड को क्या ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा? er, r और or. So one more time I am going to repeat here. You can make the nouns. आप नाउन बना सकते हो. कैसे? That show the work that people do. जो लोग काम करते हैं उस प्रकार का नाउन बना सकते हैं. कैसे? By adding er, r and or to the verb. क्रियादर्शक शब्दों को आपको क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? er, r और or. So इस प्रकार से आप नाउन बना सकते हो. Let's see some example. A person who helps someone is helper. In this sentence, help is a verb. Help is an action word. We have to add er to the verb. That means help. It become helper, means noun. I hope you understood. Next, a person who dances is dancer. In this sentence, dance is a verb. Dance is an action word. We have to add r to the verb. It becomes dancer, means noun. Next, a person who acts is an actor. In this sentence, act is a verb, means an action word. We have to add or to the verb. It becomes actor, means noun. One more time, help is an action word, means verb. When we add er to the verb, it becomes helper, that means noun. Helper is a noun. Dance is a verb, an action word. When we add r to the verb dance, it becomes dancer, means noun. Act is one of the verb, an action word. When we add or to the verb act, it becomes actor, means noun. I hope you understood how to make the nouns by adding er, r or or to the verb. That means an action word. Write down this into your notebook. Student, let's see more example about this topic for your better understanding. Here is example number first. Let's see how to make the nouns by adding the r, er or or to the verb. Let's see first example. A person who directs the movies. In this sentence, direct is an action word, means verb. When we added or to the verb direct, it become director, one of the noun. Next, a person who sails on the seas. In this sentence, sail is an verb, that means an action word. When we add EOR to the verb sail, it becomes sailor, one of the noun. Next, a person who writes books. In this sentence, write is an action word. When we added R to this action word means verb write. In this sentence, write is a verb, means an action word. When we added R to the verb write, it becomes writer, one of the noun. Next, a person who paints pictures. In this sentence, paint is an action word, means verb. When we added ER to the verb paint, it becomes painter, one of the noun. Next sentence, a person who weaves clothes. In this sentence, weave is one of the verb, an action word. When we added R to the verb wave, it becomes weaver, one of the noun. Next, a person who teaches in the school. In this sentence, teach is one of the verb, that means an action word. When we added ER to the verb teach, it becomes teacher, one of the noun. Next and last example about this, a person who sings the songs. In this sentence, sing is a verb, that means an action word. When we added ER to the verb sing, it becomes singer, one of the noun. I hope, student, you understood how to make the nouns by adding the ER, OR or R to the verb, that means an action word. Write down into your notebook and try to find out more 10 verbs and make them noun. Make their noun. Thank you.